Today got something a little different, a little new. About to get some pipes, some more pipes. Let me rephrase that. Actually, not even some more pipes. Look at that scratch. Sheesh, that got ugly. But yeah, about to get a muffler delete on this guy. I'm gonna give you guys a few revs and probably a burnout, so you guys can see how they sound now. And it's gonna be a little warm start. It ain't gonna be a cold start. But yeah, that's pretty much him, man. Looking spiffy. Well, not too spiffy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see he a little dirty, but he looks straight, man. He looks straight. Just to sound a little slight, you feel me? A little slight off. Give y'all a little sneak peek of the inside too. Got some new seat covers in here. Hold up. John player. Changed the whole car, no cap. It's hot, man. Gotta turn the AC back on. Just wanted to give y'all a little idle clip real quick. Sounds straight, sounds straight. It's the before, by the way. Sounds straight, sound good. Got the flow masters under there. I'm gonna take them guys off. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, let me see that. Hey, what's up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Show out. Yes, sir. Woo. Fresh. That thing sound.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, they off. Yes, sir. They off there. Hey, I'm gonna keep those. That got some pressure. Pressure. No cap. See how that guy sound when we drive? Oh, hey. That shit sound pressure. Ain't gon' count, bro. Listen. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna count. I like it. I like it.